This is Series 1, Episode 49. Before I start talking about this stock, I'd just like to ask, if you're watching these videos, could you please just drop a comment in this video, just below, just to say, yes, I'm watching, or thank you, or keep going, because, guys, I put a lot of effort into this every day. I've done almost 50 videos in 1 month. And yes, I see the views are going up and the subscriptions are going up. That's really good, but no one's really commenting. So if you could just drop just a short comment, thank you, or something, just so I know that people are actually watching this stuff, because it is it's thousands of stocks I have to search every day to pick out really high probability setups for you. And yes, no one's asked me to do it, but I thought people would find it useful. But if no one's giving me any feedback, I don't know if it is useful. So that feedback would be greatly appreciated, please. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to talk about the stock. Stock today is SiteOne Landscape Supply, ticker symbol SITE. This company operates stores offering landscape supplies, as you can tell by the name there. The sales are really strong, and so are the earnings. So I really like the look of this stock. It's also owned by some big institutional investors and over 500 funds owning this stock at the moment. Now I'm keen to get in on this because it's another way to diverse a portfolio. I can see a number of construction stocks are rallying, and the general building industry, landscaping, etc. is all doing pretty well. So especially with summer coming up, so I want to try and get in on a stock like this. So let me explain my analysis. As you can see, I've drawn my normal support and resistance, and for a number of months now the stock has been consolidating, just stuck in that channel. But today we're trying to break out of resistance. So this could become a breakout stock based on this candle here. So here's my trade idea. As always, if you decide to take this trade, that's entirely up to you. I'm just explaining my analysis and what I want to do with this trade if I can get in on it. I want to see price ideally at less or equal to $180. Price is currently 181.53 and the market's closed. The stop loss is an emergency stop loss, just in case, is right down here at $145. That's there, and the take profit is up here, $216. I would hope not to see the stock all the way down there, but if it did get down there, that would be definitely a get out clause. There's your take profit. So less or equal to 180, entry point ideally. Stop loss 145, take profit 216. Now I know that looks like a long way away, but if I'm right in this rallies, it shouldn't take too long to get up there. And with the summer coming up, a landscape stock looks good, trying to break out. How much would I risk on this one? As usual, on the breakout, probably no more than 1% of my portfolio on this breakout. Then if it starts coming back down a bit, then I might add another 1 or 2%. If it gets a bit lower, then maximum 3% on one trade. 3% max. Now the entry point 180 to 145, that's a drop of 20% if it goes down there. 20%, and it's the same for take profit. If it goes, the price goes up to 216, that's plus 20%. So the risk reward is 1 to 1. So risking 20% to make 20%. So that's the trade idea. Again, it's up to you if you make a decision and decide to trade it. But I like the look of the stock, especially with this breakout now. If you like what I do, guys, as I said at the beginning, please comment anyway. Even if it's a negative comment, then at least I know it's a waste of my time and a waste of your time. But some commentary will be really, really useful. And of course, if it is useful, well, I hope it is, because some of these stocks I'm announcing on this channel are rallying like crazy. The Dropbox is doing extremely well. The two trades I mentioned over the weekend are up. Both of them are up 3% today, I think. Lots of opportunities. So I need the feedback, guys, so I know that it's worth doing this for people. So just one comment just in the bottom will be really useful. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll do another video soon.